Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Vicluke Convertible Chair Bed is probably one of the most versatile pieces of furniture you can add to your home, seamlessly transforming from a comfortable chair to a cozy bed in mere seconds, making it an ideal solution for small apartments, guest rooms, or any space where maximizing functionality is key. And today we're diving deep into what makes this convertible chair bed a standout option for modern living. Number 5. FILUXE Convertible Folding Sofa Bed. Introducing the FILUXE Convertible Folding Sofa Bed, a versatile piece designed to enhance your living space. It seamlessly blends style and functionality for modern living. Experience superior comfort with its high-density foam that offers quick rebound and lasting shape. The breathable, resilient fabric is not only stylish but also removable for easy cleaning. Its adjustable backrest is designed to perfectly contour to your body's curves. The included pillow provides excellent support for your waist, ensuring maximum relaxation. No assembly required. This foldable sofa is ready to use right out of the box. It easily converts into a lounge or mattress, adapting to your needs for work, reading, or relaxation. This multifunctional couch is a perfect solution for small spaces. It easily converts into a storage space, making it ideal for studios, dorm rooms, and apartments. Featuring secure Velcro straps and smooth, durable zippers, this sofa is built to last. Enjoy its convenience and practicality for years to come. What we like? This convertible chair bed offers a breathable and removable fabric cover, making it incredibly easy to clean and maintain. It also boasts a simple conversion mechanism and a space-saving design for storage. If you prioritize easy maintenance and a clutter-free living space, this is the perfect choice for your apartment or dorm room. What people say? The chair is very comfortable and easy to assemble. It's a great addition to my small apartment, providing extra seating and a place for guests to sleep. The bed is surprisingly spacious and sturdy, perfect for occasional use. Number 4. Hilero 4-in-1 Folding Sofa Bed. Discover the ultimate in flexibility with our 4-in-1 folding sofa bed. It easily transforms to suit your needs, serving as a floor sofa, a convertible bed, a chair bed, or a futon mattress. Keep your space tidy with the included storage bag, perfect for this convertible sofa bed. It's also designed for easy carrying, making it an ideal portable bed for guests or even for your camping trips. Easily convert it between modes with the 2 convenient handles. Plus, keep your essentials close at hand with the 2 side pockets, perfect for your phone or a book. Enjoy added comfort with the included extra pillow. The dark gray corduroy cover is machine washable, featuring a hidden zipper for a clean look and simple maintenance. This versatile sofa bed is designed for a multitude of settings, from living rooms and guest rooms to apartments, dorms, and even for your van during travels. Forget assembly. This sofa bed is crafted from high-density foam and arrives ready to use. Simply allow it 48 hours to fully regain its shape after unpacking. What we like? This folding sofa bed provides 4 distinct modes of use, offering exceptional versatility. It comes with a convenient storage bag for easy portability and includes side pockets for your essentials. If you need a flexible seating and sleeping solution that's also easy to transport and keeps your belongings close, consider this for camping trips or guest accommodations. What people say? During the daytime I'm sitting on it as a chair and it's comfortable. Bed mode is comfortable and I've been able to get good sleep. The 4-in-1 convertible design is pristine, offering a superior sleeping or seating experience perfect for my living room and guests. Number 3. YITAHOME Convertible Sofa Chair Bed. Transform your space effortlessly with this versatile chair bed. It functions seamlessly as a sofa, lounge chair, or guest bed, perfect for any occasion. Find your perfect comfort with the 5-level adjustable backrest. Customize your angle for watching TV, gaming, or enjoying a nap. Engineered with a strong wood steel frame, it supports up to 400 pounds. Upholstered in breathable linen fabric with plush foam cushioning for ultimate comfort. Enjoy a generous 75-inch bed length, perfect for most adults. The enhanced thick padding and wide armrests ensure optimal support and comfort. Set it up in just 15 minutes with our simple instructions and pre-attached components. It's ready to use right after unboxing. What we like? This sleeper chair features a 5-level adjustable backrest for personalized comfort and wide armrests for added stability. It's also designed for easy assembly, taking only about 15 minutes. If you're looking for a chair that can adapt to various activities from watching TV to sleeping, and you appreciate a quick and simple setup, this is a great option for your home office or living room. What people say. Instructions unclear, but we got it figured out. I think it is only worth $50 and I paid too much. Number 2. GIA Trifold Convertible Sofa Bed Chair. Experience the luxurious feel of premium velvet upholstery. Its tough to design and soft luster add sophistication and create an inviting spot for relaxation. This piece effortlessly transforms into a footstool, recliner, sofa chair, or bed. Combine two to create a king-sized bed for flexible accommodation options. Enjoy exceptional comfort with its curved backrest, designed to support your waist and back. The meticulous craftsmanship ensures both coziness and durability for extended relaxation. Its sleek design complements any decor, making it a versatile addition to any room. It blends seamlessly with both contemporary and classic interior styles. Perfect for smaller living areas, this foldable sofa bed combines practicality with style. Its compact design fits effortlessly into any home, serving as seating or a guest bed. What we like. This chair bed is crafted with luxurious velvet upholstery and features a supportive curved backrest. A unique highlight is its ability to combine two chairs to create a king-sized bed. If you love a touch of elegance and need flexible sleeping arrangements for guests, especially the option for a larger sleeping surface, this is an excellent choice for your living room or guest room. What people say. It has legs hidden in a zippered pouch in the back for when it's in chair mode and is quite sturdy as both a chair and a bed. The design fits our aesthetic as well, and it works great as a chair when playing instruments. It's well made, attractive, and fairly comfortable. The legs took a few minutes to put on, so it was easy to set up. It was also easy to unzip and pull out the legs you use to make it into a flat bed or lounger. Number 1. MELLCOM 79 Convertible Sofa Bed Queen. Elevate your living space with this stylish folding sofa bed. Its unique design and modern chenille fabric complement any decor, fitting seamlessly into your lifestyle whether in the living room or bedroom. Experience ultimate relaxation with spacious armrests, accent pillows, and a high-density cushion. It provides optimal support for sitting or sleeping, delivering ergonomic perfection for your comfort. Easily adapt to any need by adjusting the armrests and pillows. This versatile sofa transforms in seconds into a mattress, chaise lounge, or double bed, perfect for naps or hosting guests. Say goodbye to assembly frustration. This foldable floor couch is designed for instant use. Just unfold and enjoy your new comfortable seating solution. Enjoy lasting comfort with its soft, breathable fabric and removable cover for easy washing. The high-density foam cushions bounce back perfectly after use, ensuring it won't flatten over time. What we like. This convertible sofa bed stands out with its exceptionally thick 7.87-inch cushion, providing superior comfort. It also comes with 5 accent pillows for added support and includes a removable cover for easy cleaning. If plush comfort and ample support are your top priorities for both sitting and sleeping, and you appreciate the convenience of a washable cover, this is the ideal choice for your bedroom or living room. What people say. It's a beautiful sofa chair. Pretty comfy, great big seat. It is a full size when you unfold it. Elegant and comfortable. I love the versatility of this 4-in-1 sleeper. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.